Hey folks, welcome to an Aitum Basics tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over setting up your first rule. We will go through a trigger and then an action based upon that trigger. For the time being, we will skip the rule check and data check. However, these will be covered in a video showing a more advanced rules setup on our channel. First of all, we're going to set up a simple rule that if someone follows you while you're on stream live, we will show and hide a source in OBS. So once you have set up your OBS integration, you'll want to create a new rule. If we click on Add Rule at the top, this will then create a new drop-down item. We can rename this to anything we want by double-clicking the name. The first thing we want to do is to add a trigger. For this scenario, we want to select the device as Twitch and the trigger type to be follow. Next, we want to add an action. In the device drop-down, select your OBS integration, and then in the action type, select Change Source Visibility. Select your scene and then your source, and then select Visible. Once we have set this action up, we want to clone this item. Do this by clicking on the clone icon on the top right. This will automatically add a duplicate action at the bottom of the rule. Now we want to change this to hidden and to add a delay of 5 seconds. This means that your source will show for 5 seconds and then hide again after a new follow on Twitch. Click on the save icon on the right hand side, and that's it all done. This basic structure between a trigger and an action is the main template for creating a rule within Aitum. So now when you get to follow on Twitch, OBS will automatically show and hide a source for you without you having to touch a thing. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions or if you have created something very cool to show us, feel free to join the Discord or follow us over on Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.